Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today, I'm very excited to share with you all a very simple DIY homemade skin polisher which will help you to get rid of all the dead skin cells from your skin and will help you achieve a healthy glowing skin. For this, you will need regular oats, organic honey, cinnamon, and some milk. First and foremost, add around 2 tablespoons of oats into a grinder and grind it really fine as shown here. Now, take a clean microwavable bowl and add around 2 teaspoons of grinded oats. Next, add around 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and mix both well. Now, add around 2 tablespoons of milk into the mixture and mix well. Microwave this mixture for around 30 seconds. You can see that the mixture has become thick now. Add milk little by little into the oats and mix well until it loosens up a little bit. Don't make it too thin, it should be slightly thick as shown in the video. Last but not least, add around 1 teaspoon of pure organic honey and mix again. Now let me show you guys how to apply this face mask. So this is how my face looks before applying the face mask. First of all, make sure that your face is clean. I just washed my face with my face wash. Okay, so now let's apply the mask. Because this mask has a weird texture, I'm going to use my hands to apply as I get more control like this. Apply it all over your face, leaving your eyes and eyebrows. Now let me share with you guys some benefits of using this mask. Oats strengthen the skin's barrier, soothing and moisturizing it. Oatmeal can soak up the excess oil on your skin and help treat acne. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help to treat dry skin and remove dead skin cells. Cinnamon has antifungal, antioxidant and antibacterial properties that make it the perfect solution for acne-free skin. You might not believe this, but cinnamon has skin lightening properties as well. It works towards fading away acne scars, blemishes, marks and dark spots. Honey helps to open up the pores, clearing the dirt away. Because honey is antibacterial, it is very effective in the prevention and treatment of acne. If you want a glowing skin, milk and honey are a perfect combination to use. Milk contains lactic acid. Lactic acid is especially popular in anti-aging face cleansers. Studies show it helps remove dead skin cells and stimulate new cell growth. Okay, so now after applying the mask, let it sit for a minimum of 15 minutes or until it dries. By that time, I would like to show you guys this bladeless hanging neck fan which I have been loving lately. This one is from a company called Taurus. It was actually sent to me by them and I'm so glad that I received it. I have been loving it ever since I received it. This is basically a fan that you can wear around your neck like a necklace. You can flexibly adjust the angle and direction according to your comfort. It has 3 speed settings: low, medium and high speed. You can charge the device using the cable provided. I really love wearing this when I go outside, especially when it's too hot and humid. I also love to wear this whenever I do my makeup or skincare. It helps my face mask or any product to dry in less time. By the way guys, I have a 40% discount code just for my viewers, and if any of you are interested to buy this, then the link and the discount code to this product will be listed in the description box below. Yeah, so anyway, now it's been 15 minutes and let's take out this mask. Make sure to wash it off in a circular motion. This helps to exfoliate your skin and remove dead skin cells. Wash it off with normal tap water and tap dry using a paper towel or a clean dry towel. My skin always feels a lot smoother, cleaner and brighter after using this mask. I hope you can see how glowing my skin looks. I simply love this mask. I hope you guys will try this at home and let me know in the comment section below. I guarantee you guys will see an instant result. Yeah, so that's it for this video guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and please share this video with your friends and family, and also leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. See you soon. Bye guys. Love you.